32 days to the election. We'll get back to the storm in a moment, but first, another bombshell in the ongoing Clinton email scandal. Newly released interviews from the FBI's investigation into the former Secretary of State, Hillary Clinton's private email server, show that a number of boxes of printed emails of Mrs. Clinton's have gone missing. This is, we learned that a top official of the State Department put pressure on staffers to change email classifications to keep them hidden from Clinton's communications from the Freedom of Information Act requests. And there were a lot of them. Here to explain the ramifications, Fox News senior judicial analyst, Judge Andrew Napolitano. So, Judge, we've been talking about her tens of thousands of email.
Right.
Apparently, they printed up a bunch of them, put them in bankers' boxes, and they had, what, 14 of them, and now 2 are missing?
And now 2 of the boxes are missing. Remember when this was first discovered, and she was ordered to return all of her emails to the State Department. On her own, she decided she was going to return just the work-related ones. That's problem number 1, because under the law, when you work for the government, all your emails belong to the government. The government decides which you get to keep as personal, and it gets to keep as work-related. She reversed that. But she didn't actually return the emails. If you send an email to me and you inadvertently delete it and say, Judge, can you send it back to me? I need a copy of it. I would hit reply and send it back to you electronically, thereby giving you everything you gave me. What Mrs. Clinton did was to make paper copies of the emails and deliver those to her lawyer to go to the State Department. The paper copies do not have on them all the underlying metadata.
Who they went to.
Correct. Where they came from, when she received them, where they altered, all that stuff.
Well, that's handy for her.
Correct. Right. Was kept from the government. Now we find not only did she keep that from the government, but somewhere in this process, from her to her aides, to her lawyers, to the State Department, to the FBI, 2 of the 12 boxes of paper emails are gone.